ça.
We have 5 hours driving, going to Casablanca. We'll be in Montreal tomorrow around 1 p.m. and talk about multi-camera work, 3D scanning, cool stuff. There's going to be a lot of other conferencers, other speakers too, so should be very fun. And voilà, j'ai dans la tête ça là. Ah oui, 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 passe devant, oui! Ah! Oui! Okay, just a little bit more details about 3D scanning. What is that? When we put all of the cameras in a bubble and we take a picture of a subject and then we create a 3D render of that subject, and from that we can animate the subject, and this is mostly for cinema or gaming, but it's the same software, same cameras. So after like 5 years doing about a time 360, I decided to give it a try. And so currently we have that 175 cameras 3D scan up and running in Montreal.
So yeah, we're on a 5-hour trip from Midelt to Casablanca, and then tomorrow we take a 5-hour flight, I think, from Casablanca to Montreal, and we should arrive right on time to join the guys for the conference. That's gonna be exciting.
Yep.